Let's make some shepherd's pie. Folks, I'm using about 6 potatoes here, medium size, keeping skin and all. We're gonna go ahead and get these to boiling up real quick, get them all soft so we can mash them up. Next, we're gonna go in with about 1 cup of sour cream. Get that all mashed in there and mixed up. Next, we're gonna hit those potatoes up with about 2 tablespoons of butter. Brown about 1 pound of ground beef. Season it up with your favorite season. I'm using that Slap Your Mama. That's my seasoning. Ingredients in the channel. Next, we're gonna warm up 2 cans of corn and drain it and just melt some butter in it. And we're gonna put this aside. We are not trying to cook the corn right now. Next, we're gonna cook our cornbread. Just follow the instructions on the package. This is not my special cornbread, although you can use my special cornbread. The recipe for that is also in the channel. Go ahead and bake your cornbread. Now folks, I'm gonna tell you right now, I should have used a deeper dish, but we live and learn, right? After that cornbread is all cooked, go ahead and butter the top before you move to the next step, which is add some Velveeta cheese to the top, and then we're gonna put on our meat. Now see right here, this is what I mean by I should have used a deeper dish. I knew better, but I wasn't quite thinking straight. But anyway folks, I got a way around that here. Go ahead and add this corn next, and we're gonna make sure the top is all covered. Now if you did like me, I'm adding foil around here because I needed a deeper dish. But anyway, go ahead and add the potatoes over that corn, get that all in, add some more cheese. I'm using Kobe Jack, and I'm using some cheddar. We're gonna bake this for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. 45 minutes later, dinner is served. Bon appetit.